So, I know what you're thinking. This isn't a workshop. No, it's not. I was going to be doing an unboxing video on this, but somebody replaced a hammer in it with a few claw hammers. So, it was already opened. So, I'm here, but we're going to pretend like it wasn't opened. We're going to pretend like this wasn't opened. The point is, it's back in the box. I ordered the Alec Steele 3.5 pound rounding hammer. Okay, it's back in the box, and we're going to pretend like this seam isn't here. Okay, I cut it open. Oh, wow, look, it's open. Okay, so I actually got the 3.5 pound cross peen hammer for my birthday a few months ago, and I loved it so much I had to come back and get the rounding hammer. So here it is. Comes in this wrapping, in this box. The customer service is really amazing. With the cross peen hammer, they were out and they were able to get me one because they had just one left in stock, and they got it to me in less than a week, and I ordered it at like 10:30 one night and it shipped the next day. So they have just really amazing customer service all around. And I'm trying to record this with one hand, so I do apologize. Wow, straight out of the box, the boiled linseed oil is just... Yes, I did just smell it. Oh, that is pristine. The boiled linseed oil is just amazing. Wow. Wow. It is a beautiful hammer. Wow, it's a beautiful hammer. Boiled linseed oil. This actually smells really good. Yeah, it's a beautiful hammer. His touch mark is on there. Really good. I don't know if you can see that or not. But on both sides, these were all handmade in Montana by his staff. He has a video on his channel if you want to go see it, but it's a pristine hammer. The video on how he makes them is actually really interesting. They do all the forging in just 2 heats, which is just really amazing. But no lack of craftsmanship here. It's amazing. The cheeks are forged out amazingly. I like how you can actually see where there was forged and it's not just flat and bland. But yeah, it's amazing. Straight out of the box. It's a beautiful hammer. You are 100% going to be seeing me using this in probably almost all of my forging projects. The reason why this isn't a review video is because I want to use it before I do an actual review on it. So I'm going to use it for a few weeks, maybe a month, then I'm going to do a month later review video, and I'm going to do the same for the cross peen hammer. But that'll be sooner because I've been using it for a little while longer. But straight out of the box, it's a beautiful hammer. Really symmetrical. I absolutely love the faces on it. Wow. Yeah, beautiful hammer. I'm going to be using this hammer a lot. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm sorry that this inappropriate recording space. I know that's an understatement. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Dang, this is a beautiful hammer.